Hi, welcome to MarineMax Dallas. My name is Lyle McVeigh. Today I'm sitting on a 2020 Sea Ray 280 SLX, brand new boat we just brought in the showroom. It's a beautiful blue boat with silver stripe on the side. I'm sitting back here on the back deck, lounging against the ratcheting backrests. And this boat is also equipped with the automatic submersible swim step that'll let you slide that out so you can swim up and sit while you're still in the water. Makes it easy to get on and off the boat. I'm gonna walk you in some other things on the back of this boat here that make it nice while you're lounging. Obviously cup holders. There's an ice chest right here built in. Easy access while you're back here on the back of the boat swimming. And you also have a transom mounted stereo control right there, so you can control your stereo fusion audio on this boat. Come on inside. Great big social zone in the cockpit of this boat. Tons of lounge space. The two seats pivot around so you can face everybody backwards, so everybody can be in the center of this boat working together. We equipped this boat with the isotherm refrigerated drawer. There's also an ice chest underneath this seat, so you can keep your beverages cold. Make it easy to load them on and off the boat for you. With a little day sink right here, so you can rinse off, keep things nice and clean. On the helm of this boat, we equipped it with twin 12-inch Simrad screens. This boat also has a dynamic running surface, so it's going to trim up, get on plane right away. This boat has the 8.2 liter 430 horsepower motor in it, so this boat's going to run. You and all your friends are going to have a good time on this boat. Up front here, plenty of space. Another social zone up front. Beautiful stainless wrapped grab rails. I mean, this boat is awesome. Come by and see us here or call us and we'll set up an appointment for a showing. You can catch us at 972-436-9979, or you can always get us at MarineMax.com.